So basically, the abacus is solving a couple problems. The main problem we're solving is that when children get to school, when they get to preschool, they're not already with the fundamentals of counting. So basically, the abacus will teach them how to count before preschool. And in addition to that, babies will start learning at age of 3 weeks and will just keep progressing. So with the abacus help and with their parents' help, they will be absolutely ready for preschool. So basically, the social benefit for this abacus is a child starts learning at the age of 3 weeks old. And the best way to learn is with their parents. So when they get the abacus, their parents can go like this, and they also say the numbers. So the parents will say 1, while the abacus says 1 and displays the number. The benefit of this is the child will learn more and be ready for preschool before any other kid, and that will make him the best.
The design of the abacus is meant to invoke the learning of children, and the process works by moving the bead up to increment or down to decrement. Each set of columns either increments by 10 or increments by 1, and vice versa. Okay, so many problems were to be had on this very, very difficult project. Well, blast off. The frame was not at all big enough to compensate for our wonderful design, but mostly our circuitry. So we built the frame from scratch out of scrap wood found inside the STEM room. And as you see, there are these little black slits over here. That was one of the solutions to the problem where this panel was smashing all of our circuitry into a very, very small compartment. There is a lot of circuitry here, and we had to resolder much of it. We had these little rungs, you can see here, which serve as our sensors for moving the beads up and down. And those rungs are made out of metal tape, which, well, copper tape, and silver tape as well. They're too bulky, nothing slides over them, it doesn't really fit all that well. That was fixed by a tape overlay of just normal office tape. It's very clear. You can't even see it.
I feel so close to you right now. It's a force field. I wear my heart up on my sleeve like a big deal.